Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So you guys saw I got a new mattress. Thank you to Lowell for sending over this mattress. I'm finally part of the queen size family, I guess you can say. I upgraded from a full to a queen and I do not know how to act. This is your sign to upgrade your mattress. Prioritize your sleep. Prioritize feeling well rested. We cannot talk about self-care without talking about sleep, and I can sleep 10 plus hours. Okay, I prioritize my sleep a little too much, and I love how Lowell makes it super convenient to do that upgrade. So they do give you 365-night trial, free shipping, free returns, and also a lifetime warranty. I told you guys they make it super convenient for you to upgrade your mattress. So this is the Lowell Lux Hybrid. I got this one because I am 5'7", so I did want like a taller mattress, and this is 13-inch premium memory foam. So you know, this is a really nice luxurious mattress. They do have other mattresses as well, so whatever you're looking for, Lowell got you. And one thing I noticed about Lowell is that they focus on like the little things. For example, the mattress does have handles on the side, so it makes it super convenient and easy to move around your mattress if you have to. Maybe you're moving, you know, whatever the case might be, it does come with that. And I also like how it has a cooling memory foam. I also do have back pains. That's something I struggle with, and I like how this mattress is firm but soft at the same time. It's like the perfect amount of firmness and softness. My family member from Puerto Rico helped me, in case you guys are wondering who he is. He's visiting us from Puerto Rico, and he has never seen a mattress that comes in a box before, and he was amazed at how easy the process is. But yeah girl, I will have their website linked below, so you can just click it, go to their website, and you guys can use my discount code at checkout. Thank you to them for sending over this mattress and sponsoring this video. We love Lowell, and you guys should definitely check them out and upgrade your mattress with them. You guys, all this talk about the mattress making me want to go to sleep, but I need to do my nails. I also need to do my pedicure. I'm thinking of doing like some pink nails. I want it to be like a Valentine's Day themed self-care day. So I'm gonna start with my nails and then I'll do the rest.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand. Are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Got me a therapist to tell me there's a...
Okay, so if you're wondering if this gives you lower back pain, it might, but girl, the final product is worth it. So ever since my toenail like broke off in half, I just never went back. I like to do everything at home. Not only does it save me tons of money, but I also know my tools are clean. So I switched to press-on nails, and it's honestly a game changer. It makes it look very expensive, very pretty, but it also isn't as harsh for your nails. So I like to start by exfoliating. This will give you really smooth feet. You want to make sure you soak your feet in warm water, so like that it's a lot easier. I like to do this probably like once a month. Okay, so once I'm done exfoliating, I do like to move on to my press-on nails. For all the girls that want to do this on a budget, I will have it linked below for you guys. Basically, everything is from Amazon, and it's very easy to do. Make sure the press-on nail fits you, because if not, you're gonna want to rip them off, and it's gonna be uncomfortable, and they're not gonna last a long time. So make sure you trim it for you, you shape them. I like to shape them square and short. I used to be only into white, but honestly, I've really been loving the pink. I feel like it just pops, you know, it just looks really pretty. So I just went in with that. And after that, I always make sure, you know, I keep moisturizing, because I don't want dry looking feet. So yeah, girl, this is your sign to do your own pedicure or to go get a pedicure. Okay, just because it's winter does not mean you have to forget about your feet.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
I'm going to show you guys how I do my nail routine at home. I hope my camera isn't as HD because girl, my hands have been going through it. This winter time has been like destroying my skin. I hate the winter, I hate the cold, and my hands shows that, you know, they were super dry. I did end up cutting myself just a little bit, I'm not even gonna lie, with the cuticle cutter. So be really careful because that thing will cut you. When that does happen, I just make sure I use an alcohol little wipe and I make sure I clean everything so there's no like bacteria or infection. That's one thing about doing your own nails at home. If you do end up messing up, you know your tools are clean, you know, you don't have to like freak out over that. But yeah girl, that ended up happening. I just moved on, you know, clean the cuticle, and then I apply my press on nails from Kiss. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I love my Kiss press on nails. I swear by them, they're the best ones. They're sturdy, they last a long time. If you guys notice, some nails are gonna be like not the perfect fit for me, so I do like to make some of them a little bit longer, and then I just use the gel polish to blend everything in. So that's one thing about press on nails that I personally like, that you can customize them, you know, and just make them work. Also, if you want them to last a little longer, make sure you use your base coat for them and they will last longer. So instead of using your regular glue, just make sure you use the base coat to set them, and they last around like 3 weeks, I would say. So I did end up using a really pretty soft pink color from the brand D&D. One of my favorite nail brands. Their gel polish just lasts a long time and it looks really pretty and girly. And I just love me some fresh, glossy, square nails.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna coach and get a little maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going where I want it. Get some me time. You do what you want. In the meantime, it's not going well.
We just saved like $200 doing our own manicure and our own pedicure. I love treating myself, but I also love doing it at home, you know, and saving money. I'm trying to decide if I want to shave my face now or wait after I shower. But anyways, guys, I'm excited to remove my makeup. Even though I love how my makeup turned out today, I did the no makeup, not the no makeup. Yeah, the no makeup look. I did the no foundation viral thing. And I really like the way it looks. My skin looks really good and glowy. I've been taking care of my skin extra, you know, lately, especially because I have dry skin. So I get eczema, my freaking nails are peeling. As you guys saw, I have super dry hands at the moment. My cuticles are all over the place, which is why I cut myself a little bit, because they're a little bit like hard and dry. So yeah, winter, it's just me and winter just do not get along. And I also do get dandruff too. So but anyways, I'm gonna remove my makeup. I feel like low-key this camera or like the lighting is making my foundation not match the rest of my like chest, but I did blend it all the way down, so I don't know what's going on. To remove my makeup, I like using the Burst Day Cleansing Balm, and then I like to go in with my CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. They're affordable. I love to double cleanse my skin, not only my face but also my body and my hair. I feel like everything just looks better when you double cleanse, and your skin just feels softer and no more like odor and stuff like that. So yeah, let me remove my lashes and my makeup so I can finally take a warm shower, because I need it. After doing all that, I just need to relax, you know?
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so I'm
you're trying to have smooth hairless skin, the bead hair removal cream is where it's at. I like to let it sit on my body for 7 minutes, and this only works for my thinner, finer hair. So before I do anything else, I do like to use my shampoo and conditioner before, you know, I exfoliate and shave. So like that, my conditioner has time to soak into my hair. So I do have like a whole body wash routine. I like to use my Dr. Bronner's first. I feel like this just gives you like a squeaky clean feeling, and then I like to go in with my more scented fragrance, you know, body washes. If you're trying to smell good all day or all night long, always use like the matching body wash, body oil, and perfume. So stick to one category so the scent actually lasts on your body.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? That last to my body so crazy.